Friend, I'm more than halfway that. Friend, I'm more than halfway that. And you don't have an address. That is not your address, Michii.
Who is a company? No call idea. Can't one dead girl. Hello? Who this? Oh, Shana.
Hey, Michii, you're not bad. Oh, you meant, we meant to win at the post, but you're not a way.
What one? But I must go, I get to my living. My living, I wait for Michelle. Because she want me to come. But they have me yard.
Sit down at the gate and she come and about come and address. Michii never address.
I wait for her to come.
Michii never address around there, so.
She can't come.
Michii don't have an address. We meet her more than halfway.
First, I tell her again, I don't come on here for argue with nobody. I'm not going to argue with nobody. If I do class up somebody, that's just classy. I'm not argue with nobody. Anyways, whatever happened last night to this morning, it's not my war. Cool? It's not my fight, none at all. But listen what's going on. You see for them girl them? Like, the little girl them just too little bit and too. I don't know if you know them. But them just too little bit and too bad, and them too little bit and just too much. You understand what I'm trying to say? It's not my fight. It's a girl named Tori fight. It's like, listen, Tori and one named Ashley. I mean, they might take one man, right? Them see Tori in a... Listen, first of all, me and Tori is not friends. Tori is not my friend. First me I know Tori and it's like last night or yesterday, right? Them and me a fight over bricks. Anyways, Tori and her little friend them did in a mother's a downtown. And the fret them girl them did in one bus, and the way them bad, them jump out of the bus because them see the girl them jump out at the bus and run going to mother's, and them start it. The one named Ashley, her sister named Nayan. Class, and which is not no concern, none other part in a concern because I was not there and it's not my friend as I tell you. But anyways now. In a night now you don't know, say me I'm a friend named Tuana go out. Who's that? Anyways, me I'm a friend named Tuana go out. Ariel is Tuana cousin. Ariel was involved into the fight. Tuana go into the fight. There's a lot of them who Tori go with and Manda go with. When I see them are going at the fight, my friend named Tuana get into the fight. So of course I'm gonna get involved, but I'm gonna tell you the honest truth. I did not touch nobody. I know I'm not touch nobody, you know. Some of them know how them end up say. And me them gonna be it. But I know why them want war me still, you know. I'm a big girl, you know, I'm 25 and I'm a little pitney, you know. And them stay bad, you know. I'm a big girl, right? And me keep up myself. But then I'm gonna say my wear girl clothes. Them they are back then. Back then. Let's tell you about. Listen now. To fret them girl them just too bad. You know why that last night? The one named Lisa was too sure. And you see if you know watch Shamika something before she deleted, she post her friend, she post Lisa, my bad friend, my this, my that. So why would now I cry, you know, like so nobody are trouble the people. And the only reason I get involved is because my friend Tuana get involved, so I had to get involved. Because that's the sister code. When your friend a fight, it don't really matter, you have to go in it. Long as it's not critical and detrimental, yeah. And I una broke buckle and a tap on go stab up and see they who get the stab. When a friend get the stab, when need for stop. Like when you just need for stop. Like and no need for stop call my name, but me say come for me. Where they doing? Wanna come for me? But wanna stay come for me? Wanna come for me, come do. Listen, I'm gonna estimate where them say them come for me. Alright then. Me I try gonna estimate something. Me I use crossroad for instant. It's crossroad for instant. Them say them come from a listen, like them would have done a courts, a crossroad, the courts where they pan Orange Street in them. Alright, them they are Carib. And me they run an island grill, a crossroad, right? Them keep on a text. They keep on a repost. Elliston Road. Me they we run a shoe lane in a Kirk. Come on, a phone come into Kirk, his phone come into a south side I come from. I'm not asking none could not come in a sight. None could not come in a sight. And that's where I come from. Sight I come from. None could come in a sight. I don't always in a bagga. Look how long I'm in a bagga with nobody. I just start my mind, I'm gonna care. Look how long I'm in a bagga with people. So stop saying some always in a bagga. Because I don't in a no bagga. Up to now, I'm gonna touch one of them little girls. So I'm gonna understand how them skin I pick them for me. So. But guess how them skin I pick them for me? Every day when I make my post saying, say young girl must have bed and if I won't stink, them always think of them me attack. And even if at them me attack, when too young for no mouth stink and too young for don't want a bed, when too young for not have nothing at all. Shimika, you like to trouble people and you don't have no clothes. Last night they have on Trixie sweat top. You actually, the people I'm talking about, so the ear, the wig where you wear got birthday party is not your own. The Bridget it all. And the frock where you wear top where you go to do the most, girl, that was a frock for 2 years ago where you wear for your birthday. Why not accept me? I'm not saying nothing wrong to this. I'm telling you, go fix up on a stinking mouth. I'm not saying nothing wrong to no. Somebody I look out for no. Me I look out for no. Tell you, say go get a bed and go get a brush no more. When I fuck girl and boy in a dance hall and I don't have no. Actually, you have to put a pussy on phone every time for the man I find. Girl, listen to me. Listen to me, I never come on here to argue and I'm still not arguing because I can't argue with a girl who sleep with blind man. You, Shimika, remember say you're friends with my friends, we know your business. You got Shimika, you sleep with the blind man, the stove is a one room, the whole on the stain, I know. I'm gonna know only young and vibrant on the pussy at the whole on the stain, one room, one little cottage. Listen, them have a stove in the room. If food ever cook in the room, it kill them. It kill them. Not even fan can help them. I say that oven them with that in. But listen to me. Shimika, you sleep beside of the blind man and you say Godfather. Keep on telling people say, you want to stay over there because your mother have her house a Spanish store. Me not gonna live uncomfortable enough to sleep beside her. No blind man, no one say me I fuck the hypers and the artist and I come here dance and every night me I snap on me I this and me I that and me I this and me I that. Listen to me, little girl. Me and is not age group and the only reason I say why I get involved because my friend and that is sister code. I have to get involved where my friend is concerned because I now make none of uno liquor or stab her because Shimika you at the back last and all of them on a fake. Shimika you big and you worthless. Shimika first you favor like a big man with their one bar. But always there one bar drink rum. Alright? White rum and water. Shimika stop. Actually your mouth stink bad. I'm gonna say your mouth stink your tongue. Not even your tongue, Ashley. Ashley, if your toe come straight up, come up, so your mouth stink bad. So me that for pause a little while, your mouth stink bad. You know, Lisa, you talk about your bad, Lisa, you're not bad. Because say anybody step on your toe in a Ashley filler where you keep on a wear, I'm not asking you go dead because the shoes are blind you. The shoes is blinding you. Blind. You sassy will favor the bud pan cigarette. Sassy, we are going live at the top about saying on the address. Sassy from a barn out of my mother, I bring every girl come at 38 Fleet Street, Black City apartment. Sassy, you can talk to me, Sassy. Sassy, acne, I gonna be the detail, your face full of pure bumper, your ugly no blood clot. The whole on look back. She make her favor like a big fat old man and sit down in a bar with white rum and water and drink. When you leave me alone, so I don't trouble you know. I do not trouble none of the only person in the criminal class is Crystal. Because Crystal never do me nothing, she was not there. I mean, Crystal grow. Whether she want to talk to me because she alone going to escape the judgment, I'm going to class her. When you leave me alone and stop go on pink wall, stop make live and them something for reach on pink wall like to say me and have a beef. I did not touch any of you. I'm going to ask me now walk and look back at me because none of you can let me. I'm not ask none of you can let me. None of you look hungry little girl will not eat no good supplement, not eat up no good food. I don't know if you eat that KFC and them something, not eat up no good food. We're not hot steam now blood on the face. Leave me alone because I'm not trouble you know. Leave me alone because I'm not trouble you know. And as I say, the worry don't concern my people. It's because my friend gets involved. And yes, as you know, sister code, if your sister is fighting, you have to go into it. You have to go into it. Why are you going to stand up and see a friend a fight and you don't know? Next thing somebody boss a friend face, you know you could have gone at and ease after friend. I'm not busy when nobody wants to say my friend big off Shimika face and Shimika no do nothing. I'm a friend Marga so. I saw my friend Marga. Shimika big. Shimika don't do nothing. When you leave me alone, I don't trouble nobody. I'm never come on life for argue with nobody. As I make explain to you, when I say come from me, where you come from? This is an estimate. When they are crossroad, what are they are crossroad, right? Crossroad be that community. Them they are carried me there on a Ellistar, media Island Grill. All them depend. Ellistar Road, and I una post I say una gonna beat me, right? Me come out the door and sing at the gate card. Everybody know which part of Kirk me did there, you know. So come on, man. You know which part of Kirk me did there. So come on. Why you go front for the gram? Like why are you gonna do that at that bus there? Then we are come around to like. Then we are gonna estimate. Then we are come around to like Nelson's pharmacy run like crossroad. They say that I like them come around on Wild Street. And I video the gully. But yeah, they will meet you halfway. You're not supposed to meet me halfway because I wanna bring fight to me. I'm not touching on Uno, so why Uno come and talk about Uno there right this and there? Uno supposed to come and grab because I was outside alone and it was 5 a.m. this morning. Nobody was out there to even save me. Uno should beat me up, broke me up, this all kind of things. So Uno should take it all upon me. Uno should just deal with me and stop. Stop coming on the gram. Just stop coming on the gram and stop making it look like say me I look trouble with people because look how long I'm in a mix up and no war with nobody. Look how long. You know, I never gonna do this. But guess what? Only two hype on some little girl where I scabby me and I not see him too when I scabby. When I real scabby. When sleep bad. When the whole on the god dance and Ashley no one go up at the old man where I fuck her yard go sleep. Cause Ashley talk it out her mouth say her grandmother and her mother put her for go fuck from she look a bit you know. And when my mother not put me for go fuck from me look a bit you know me take up them road there I want go and go to all kind of things and yeah. Leave me alone. Because anyone who come fight me I tell them I couldn't beat but I call for my sister them because God give me 4 sisters. God give me 4 sisters. I'm gonna ask. God give me 4 sisters. I'm gonna need no friend. I don't need no friend. You need to leave me alone because I don't trouble you know. I'm supposed to I'm entitled to see my friend a fight. And if I want to grab my friend and run up, I'm supposed to because I know found the Shimika you have a back like you big over my friend look a bit. My friend little and petite. I know why you broke my friend body. And you gotta tell me I can't go back to Kirk. I can't go back to Kirk anytime. I can't go back to Kirk anytime. I can't get up and go to Kirk right now. My stamp, sign and seal in a Dunkirk. I not ask. I can't go to Kirk right now. I need to leave me alone. Long time without into no mix up. Long time. And see out of everybody in the crew, I go and broke Sassy and her foot if she continue to follow me up. You know why? That little girl was she was nowhere. Like she was nowhere to be found when everything I go on. And then you come and talk about me ready and fucking waiting. Sassy, who the fuck is you, Sassy? As if me was Uno, me, Michelle, Rachel, either me, would I go try to help myself. I want when the cat tell me, say, I don't have no bed, I don't live nowhere, I don't have nothing, I don't have this. Because I say, me, one thing with me, I always like them, something of them, I like them, something of them, something that turn me on, for have my little own little things. You understand? You see, I'm a pass. For them girl, them only spit me. Me and is not friends. I'm not friends with you girls. I'm in an age group. I'm going soon. Leave me alone. So anybody who said they're going to beat me, anytime when I'm ready, no, you can't come at me hard. But they write us up on my veranda. No, actually, no, me because you're coming. I'm a good house and I'm AC. I'm doing makeup already. And I lock me after make you lock your mouth for the makeup because your mouth is very sting. In real life, actually, whenever they are telling nothing wrong, whenever I tell nothing wrong, whenever they are cussing nobody for saying I bring them down. But truth is truth. When you cannot fuck so hard, when you don't have a bed, you don't even have a receipt for your spoon. And actually, you cannot be posting $500 US Bridget frontal, this, that, and you have a very stinking mouth. You have to take care of your mouth. It's when a girl pussy can stink, she can go to the doctor to get rid of it. They say, mouth, enough stink. Right now, me I talk about this, I'm inside, our belly start. Actually, when you're too young for have stinking mouth, and then I talk about say a cavity, you not have no cavity. Your mouth stink from way down, your toe come up. Your tongue and I come up. Listen, me and them is not friends. Me and them is not friends. Listen, me and them is not friends. Okay? I don't want to get it wrong. Them buy clothes for me. And the best friend them girl if ever look at when them buy the clothes them from for go them party. I mean I tell you say from them buy them gonna keep the party. I say every day I pray for the filler with them wear. But they want to buy kick out. I couldn't wait for the front of the filler them kick out. The way the people they wear the filler more that all them wear them. Jeez. Do people them believe in the filler them the people? Listen to me, the girl them not even have a half basket full of clothes. And them love give themselves trouble, so. And they love gonna save to my trouble, mama, come on soon, no. I'm gonna ask Christ. Anyone wanna beat me, I can't beat them. I fuck the monkey food, because I'm gonna make none of them look hungry, little girl, wanna eat no food. And I have no money to open up to the pussy pan phone for man suit. Hey, Shimika, I should remember when Shimika they gave the foreign man in the link, you know. You get $25,000, you know. And all them I tell you, if you looking for nothing, you know, you tell her I say not get no money, you know. The one not a friendship in her, you know. When you have no love in her, you know, the chats, you know, so and chat Lisa and talk about say watch Lisa here. Listen to me. Listen to me. You stop and leave me alone, okay? Because listen, you know long in the mix up here. Do not draw out the crosses in me. Because listen to me, when I'm busy who and tell me say, this and that and Maria, I'm tell me no, I'm not taking a pound. Any post I want to post on Instagram, it is my Instagram. I am free to post. I am free to post. I never write on the name and simple. If I say a young girl now in the bed and the cap fit in, I don't wear it. If I say the mouth stink, I don't wear it. If I say the girl in my wear them clothes every day, I don't wear it. Because obviously the cap fit in, so you just need to leave me alone. Just leave me alone. And if we're gonna bring a fight, just tell me when and where so I can gather my sisters and we can be prepared. Because all of us come out of one mother pussy, and when me and them we war and them class me and them fight, you know outer road can beat me up and me stay beat up. Me not ask Christ. Ashley run last night. Ashley a year war. I'm gonna see you know it. Ashley breath eat your life. Pies. Ashley the boy I put more eat. I pay people talk say your mouth stink. Ashley me know your friend. My friend used to tell her say she smell your mouth. I talk about say a cavity. Ashley catch yourself. Ashley you set up on yourself for embarrassment because listen, you could just take eat from the post them since you say you me attack. And you know. Get to act together and catch you say, but guess what? I don't want the excitement and I don't want people to be know. Listen, me I never that for do this, you know, but when me go and make post and I make it reach from pink wall, make it look like say me a girl and down. When I pick the for me now, when it is pick the for me, me a big girl. And she girl fuck you, man fuck you, everything fucking other one pussy there. Actually, more stink, man. Stink, man, I don't know how I end up here to argue with stinking more people. Actually, I just wake up and I brush my teeth. I tell you the honest truth, I brush my teeth. How to do I get up and wash my face? Because I say, no, mama, I forgot live because my phone I take off. I know I brush my teeth. Actually, I'm not having no stinking. I don't know, ooh, in a God heavens, going to Ashley boat and do the braces, to stand up over her mouth and put in the braces. Actually, the mouth stink. Jesus Christ. The blood of Jesus against Ashley mouth. I rebuke it. I not ask. But just wake up after my sister bed car. Them run and start argue. And me I tell her say Ashley the way the uno make me feel inside me I say Janu star. Janu. Uno make it look like say a me lick or a me stab Lisa the way all the girl him all go live and say them a come for me. Come for me for what? Ashley, me make your mother push out of your mouth stink, Ashley. She make me make you fuck like you're mad. And mind man like your mother and still not end up with man. What no want with my man? Lisa look the worst our party. The word for stop a little off Lisa. The word for just stop a little off with them. Jesus Christ. You know say never that go pretty when you come and text it, but I come and rinse no blood clot out no still. Ashley did that every day. You see Ashley every day I see a snap. I'm see her talk up in her friend face. I couldn't dance on the pan. But now I ask her about look. Ashley, I wonder if your friend them not love you for dry in a corner. Have a look of friendship meet now see my friend. Listen what I go do. I go help you to sort out your mouth. Even one away draw where your friend wants to make your friend know say listen. Smell your mouth and thing and don't know so we have to sort out that girl and you know the whole under one room. If food cooking there right now, eat kilo, no eat stroke. When you gone mad. When you gone mad to all eat a kilo no. Jesus. Me you know want to take step on? Me I wait on to go back live. Because I can fix on the business today. No why I don't love trouble people too much. I don't love trouble people. The old dance hall eat for them girl them and the young. The young, so we could have do so make everybody just eat so. And the things they want to do, go like listen, you see them go and party tonight. If you watch them post them, let me and my team through. Let you know true, you know what they feel like them when I'm tired for soon, you know. The clothes them actually you wear one suit go passion party. The other week you have on the top with a black tie, so you wear a Risa party. I want the sneakers so everybody know. Come on, man. You're not for catching yourself, man. That's something that's gonna go away. We don't like you're not gonna go like but again, sir. Son, sir? Look how long me not in a them mix up and them suck me if I'm alone. Why not leave me alone? I'm not about to come for me when I go do. Sassy a fever. The bud part pan the craven here, the mataran. Sassy you know look good, Sassy. Sassy someone for put little lamp and some porridge and gear like your cat. Sassy your body want bill. No man. Sassy. No man. Sassy. And me, you want to go live at all about say, me not have no address, I see me will live a south. From a born until now, me will live a south. Me, I say, me not have no address. So I say, I don't have no address, when too young for you live so, I in a desolate places. So I live like dog a road down young. What no mother there for grabbing up in her hand. So I say, I'm look a bit like one of them age, I just go a party. When I'm in a port, I'm never Johnny's yard. I'm looking for them yard, but I always can come back on my mother yard. My mother love my bad. I want war with that 3 million times. And when me have to talk the things and fear, make sure understand. So yeah, I treat my bad inside. So that's when I got to tell myself, I suck good, I suck this, I suck that. Sassy, me I wanna suck cocky like dog. Me I wanna. Sassy, me I wanna. Sassy, everybody who no fuck una, who no want fuck una, sassy. Leave me alone. No leave me alone. Sassy, Shimika go as far as reaching a Prince DM. Sassy, what Shimika is going to get from Prince more than some hot fuck and nothing more. What? No leave me alone. And Travis, so you come and really high from, but don't see them like a girl here. All of them want going on barrel, I will go straight down and see. Straight down and see. And she remember say you cuss your mother and tell your mother say your mother and your grandmother put you out for go fuck long time. When you leave me alone, my mother never put me on the market and say go run a pussy out. My mother take care of her 5 daughters and her 9 grandkids. My mother take care of we get love. I say well look a bit. I since my big man again I love college decisions and I make a mother focus my mother. So I say we grow with love. Grow with love. We know if you sit down around table and check her right now we have done it. So I say out order. I'm born until now. My dumb granny, I never sleep beside my dumb granny much as for who I sleep beside a blind man and I talk about say I'm a godfather. And I got say on the avenue here that you know want. Me could have never in my mind, I rather go look at a room, listen. I could have live at Ochi, I'm like Kingston. I go look at a room, but I want to get home, I know I'm alright, I'm safe. And I got through one old down a town bed in there and a fan and then my friend them Ibo up in there for so be the case. But we're gonna live in a one room where food cook right now, eat kill away every time food cook phone is face screw. I went food that cook face screw. Because they eat, somebody gonna end up in a public about the eat. Me I only know so somebody end up with it. But open to take this into consideration, yeah? And actually, if they are tell the honest truth, see if you cannot not talk about stinky much when you go to party, I need you to listen. Me I tell Ashley, I give you a preparation for do. Ashley, see every time when you go dance, buy a look at Magnum at one shop. Throw the Magnum out and wash it out. And you go buy one of them blue or one of them dark color Listerine there. You go throw it at the back and you go walk with the go dance. You go drink it, just drink it. So ain't nobody talk to your mouth. Cool and fresh. Understand? Nobody nasty them smell your mouth. Nobody drink no liquor and them something there. Nobody ball out. I not ask. Nobody do them something there. You know? No do that. Just work with the Listerine, you understand? I love you and I look out for your girl. Love. Shimika, may I beg you, please go buy a near. The facial one, take the ear them off for your face. Is a man or use a woman. Listen to me. Shimika, just do that, yeah? Just do that. Shimika, you can call me shitty. I never fuck a batty boy yet. Shimika, only fuck man, dog, or everything for another one pussy. Everything. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. See, if I go like, as a matter of fact, but they don't have me yard. My sister them out of the world. They can run come in my house. Run come in here, come beat me, and run go back out. One way on the bad, when you can jump the fence, go back up New Road. No, I have to talk to them, I grow good for you, because I grow good for you. I grow good for you, I grow with mother and father love. Especially father love, I grow good. Father love me, my father grow me good, my father spoil, my father every day my father call my daughter, I love you. For them mother and father eat them, the mother and father put them on the market. My mother and father never put them on the market. Anything would have follow my father, and anything would have me want to do, because I want to like say me a bigger man. Because some look a bit, and like my friend them have them man, me always want to like me a bigger man and go dance. Me ever want to go dance and dress up. I want to walk with bigger man and them something there. Them should have dip on my live. Them should have dip on my live. I should listen to me on the whole on the frick them. All on one type or one tree and then beating with a whip can and an ambition. No worthless, no blood clot. Worthless. The world have to stop and let off. Uno are the worst. I must have to expire condom make uno come because uno not just born so. uno never plan for. Me no say me across this, you know, cause never say all kind of things called by my name, but you see uno are the worst. Jesus, I never say a young girl for worse. So as I said the war last night never concerned me, but as I say my friend them, my friend end up in the war, somebody have to go in night. Anyways, I don't have anything more to say. I'm going to brush my nice clean smelling mouth, because thou shall not have stinking mouth. Good smelling mouth verse 1. Say that. Yeah. Anyway.